everybody.
Welcome as we show you the Fold Up Family Organizer. This is my assistant Lily, and she's going to show it to you. This is what she does with hers.
I use it for my Lucy doll, and you can get different designs on it and different words too. And I'm going to show you the inside. It's perfect for if you go on vacations if you're in summer, and you could also attach other bags to it if you need to. And it has lots of room in it. And so right here I have my Lucy doll clothes, and then her stuffed animal, her shoes, her phone, and her hanger also. And in this pouch, there is a brush and a notebook, and you could also zip them up easily. Thank you for joining us.
We'll see you next time.
See you next time. Bye.